Namaste. I am Manish, a yoga teacher at Kribuddha Wellness Center. We believe in healing the mind, body, and soul through yoga, meditation, and conscious living. To learn more, visit us at www.kribuddha.in. Today, let's talk about yoga for better sleep. Many of us stay awake with a mind full of thoughts, tension in the body, and restlessness. I once had a student who would lie awake for hours, unable to calm the mind. We began a simple night routine yoga and breathing practice, and gradually she started sleeping deeply again. So, here's a gentle routine you can try before bed.
Let's begin with the first one, Viparita Karani or legs up the wall. Here you place your legs over the wall and rest your hands away from your body and relax yourself. Hold this position for 3 to 5 minutes. It helps to relax the nervous system. And second one, Jatara Parivartanasana or supine twist. Here, spread your hands and fold your legs and twist your lower body to left, keeping your shoulders intact on the mat, and look at your right hand thumb finger, and with slowly inhale come to center and exhale opposite side. Hold for few moments. And again with inhale, come to the center and relax. And third one, 4 7 8 breathing. Here, place your hands in Dhyan Mudra, roll your shoulders back, close your eyes, and keep your spine straight. Here we inhale for 4 count and hold for 7 count and exhale for 8 counts. Repeat the practice for 4 rounds slowly and with awareness.
As illustrated, do this for 20 to 30 minutes before you intend to sleep. Turn off screens, dim lights, and allow your body to unwind naturally. I hope this routine helps you rest more peacefully. For more guidance and courses, visit us at kribuddha.in or join us in person at Kribuddha Wellness Center. Namaste.